Dito kami sa NCCA, kasama namin si Direktora Emmy.
Meli. Meli actually nickname ko.
Oh, Meli.
Meli.
Salamat po. Meli Almosara. Ayun. Executive Director ng NCCA, National Commission for Culture and the Arts. Salamat po sa binigay niyong pagkakataon sa amin, ma'am.
So, ang sinasabi ko dito, tungkol dyan sa issue na yan kay Dolphy,
Opo.
ay alam natin na magaling na artista, magaling na tao, magaling na komedyante, institusyon in his own right.
Opo.
Wala tayong question dyan eh, no? Pero ang ano nga lang natin dito ay yung let's observe the process. Let's observe the process. Kasi hindi naman yan pwedeng madaliin na kung hindi prestigious award, madali siguro gawin niya, no? Pero kung ganyan ang klase ng award ay talagang na prestigyoso, sa akin palagay dapat ito ay observe the process, pag-aralan. Kaya but Frances can DED, pwede na ba si Frances? DED, pwede na ba si Frances right away, please? Oo, pakibilis lang.
Yung ano po ba ang talagang requirements para ma-nominate ang isang artist na maging national artist? Yun po ang tinatanong.
Kasi po meron kaming criteria for selection.
Opo,
so,
opo.
first is, you should be a Filipino citizen.
Opo.
So, tapos artists who through the content and form of their works have contributed in building a Filipino sense of nationhood. And then artists who have pioneered in a mode of creative expression of style, thus earning distinction and making an impact on succeeding generations of artists. Tapos yung artists who have created a substantial and significant body of works and or consistently displayed excellence in the practice of their art form, thus enriching artistic expression or style. Tapos, artists who enjoy broad acceptance through awards, critical acclamation and reviews of their works, and respect and esteem from peers.
Do you think we can get a copy of the file para lang
Ay, nasa CCP po. You'll have to ask from CCP yung file.
Wala kayo
But
dito?
it's a big
Voluminous.
file, voluminous, dahil you'll have to really, sabi ko minsan nga kahon-kahon.
Oh.
Hindi ko kasi pwede yung kukunti
Tama,
lang.
tama.
Konti lang yun.
Yung mga awards na...
Konting ano lang
Pinapaliwanag ko
yun.
kanina,
Oo.
because it is a prestigious award. Kaya the process is so difficult to observe. Kaya
So nag-submit din po yung, sa
nomination.
tingin nyo, nag-submit din yung mga pamilya niya, support, na ng dokumento ng, siyempre, ng awards
Nandun po,
niya.
hindi po,
Sino-
kung ano po yung file doon,
Oo.
ikukunin na lang yun.
Alam ba ninyo kung
Dadagdagan na
sino
lang.
nag-submit nun? Mga seat
Pero
nila,
ang
no?
NCCA ay respeto
Ito
sa
yung criteria.
acclamation.
Oo.
Nire-respeto namin ang acclamation
Oo.
ng sambayanan para kay Mr. Dolphy. Wala tayong nakikitang masama.
Wala.
Kaya nga lang, ay talaga ito ay isang prestigious award na talagang may proseso ino-observe.
Kaya alam niyo ma'am, kaya lang pag sinabi nating, no offense meant, pag sinabi nating ito ay prestigious award, parang merong negative connotation na, hindi pala prestigious si Dolphy. Okay, we're here. Andito po tayo sa opisina ni Mr. Chris Milyado ng Cultural Center of the Philippines. He's the Vice President as well as Artistic Director of CCP. And we're trying to seek enlightenment from him regarding the National Artist Award as well as other historical facts. Hindi po ba...
Alam mo, ngayon, parang mas magandang pag-usapan at
kasi yun ang puso
panalangin natin na mas maganda yung magka-recover si Mang Dolphy. Ano?
Yun po ang ginagawa
In fact,
ng lahat.
parang hindi nga magandang pag-usapan habang ngayon na medyo nag-recover siya yung pagiging national artist.
Bakit po hindi
rather than yung
mag-usapan?
health niya yung pag-usapan natin. No?
Pero pinag-uusapan
Diba?
din yun. Yung health niya, talagang pinagdarasan natin eh.
Yun ang
Pero
gusto
yung
nating pag-usapan.
yung mga fans niya, hindi ko yung mga fans niya, ang masang Pilipino, na sinasabi, ito may clamor sa Senate, may clamor sa Congress, may clamor sa mga artista, na sana naman ibigay kay Dolphy para maramdaman naman niya ang pagmamahal ng ating bayan. Ano,
Oo.
ano po ang...
Maganda yun.
Oo.
Oo. Pero mas maganda kung yung pagmamahal na yung established din with all the process. Otherwise,
maganda yung sinabi niyo yung process.
Sa proseso,
Oo.
masasayang.
Ay, hindi
diba?
naman yung hindi dadaan sa proseso. I-wide mo para makita ko na nag-uusap ni Director. Director, yung bang tama yung process? Hindi,
Sorry. Medyo nag-hit.
30 seconds.
Anthony, sorry, but
No, let me just
we have
continue.
a pending, yeah.
Yeah, I know. Let me just continue. 30 seconds na lang. Yung process, okay, may process tayo. So, pwede ho bang bigyan nyo kami ng file nung process? Kung paano yung process, sinasabi nila na, oh, this is a very prestigious award. Totoo naman, no? So, yung bang process, if you can give us, since it's a public document, and
No, actually, excuse me. That was
it is not
already
a
the
public
statement of NCCA because Chris is just a new artistic
so
director.
is it a public document or not?
It's already with NCCA. They
Oh,
can go to
sabi
it.
nila
Yeah.
sa amin, nandito siya sa inyo.
No, they have already made a press release about
Oh.
it, and it's with Francis Alicastre.
So galing lang kami sa
Yes,
kanila. Sabi
yes.
nila, nandito sa
It's
inyo.
with her. It's
So,
with her.
sino who's telling the truth?
Francis has been with National Artist Awards from
So, she
way,
was
way
not
back.
telling us the truth when
No,
she said
no,
that
they have
it
the
is with
guidelines.
CCP?
They have
no,
the guidelines.
we got the guidelines. We're talking
Yeah.
about the process that the director was
Also-
saying that how
also-
was the voting process?
Yes, Francis
Because we
knows
feel that,
about that.
We feel that Dolphy
Exactly.
was discriminated.
Yes. No, no.
Since
No,
these are
Anthony,
public documents,
no,
we have to subpoena the documents?
We're talking about the guidelines, no,
Can
and
you
the process.
show, madam?
So Francis has
Can I have your name,
everything.
please, ma'am?
Irene
Can I
Rada.
have your name?
Irene Rada.
Okay, since this is and what's your position with CCP?
I am the public relations.
Okay, thank you very much.
director.
Ma'am, since this is a public public
Yes,
document,
yes.
don't you think that the public should know how the
Yes,
process was
NCCA has
made?
that. And
Oh, so it's not with you?
Yeah, no, we have.
No, we are asking for the minutes.
Yeah, that's
The
right.
minutes on how the voting process was made.
You can get that
In
all from
2009,
NCCA. They have complete. Yeah.
When Dolphy was excluded, and that's June 21.
No, actually,
Yun ang hinihingi namin.
No, nandun na
Public
sa
documents yun.
NCCA.
Nasa
Because
NCCA,
in
yeah.
2000
Everything,
process.
everything.
So she was lying to us when
You
she
can
said
go
that
back
it's
to
with you.
her
Yeah,
and ask
find
it.
out.
So she's not telling us the truth?
No, I don't
It's
know
with
what
you?
she told you.
She told us,
No,
and
no,
we have it
no.
on video. But
Well-
she said that it's with you. It's
Well,
not with them.
It's not with us.
Oh, okay. So we'll go back to them.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Chris